Hey y'all, it's Matthew here with another quick FAQ. Today we're going to talk about whether EverLogic is a cloud-based dealership management system. Now the difference between a cloud-based system and a non-cloud-based system seems simple. A cloud-based system has all of your dealership's information stored in an online cloud. Non-cloud-based doesn't, but it's a little bit more complicated than that. We like to say EverLogic is 90% cloud-based, or at least mostly cloud-based. All your data from your dealership, including customer and inventory data, is stored on a cloud. And through our partnership with Microsoft Azure, you can be confident that your data is secured and backed up. You also don't have to pay for a server. Now the reason why we're not 100% cloud-based is that EverLogic is not a website you can log into, but a desktop application. This means you still need to download EverLogic onto a computer to use it. Now we do frequent updates of our software, but you will never have to pay for any of those updates. Ready to learn more about EverLogic? Take some time to check out our free demo, or head on over to the EverLogic blog and learn about all that EverLogic has to offer you. I'm Matthew, and this is your EverLogic Quick FAQ.